He vicious.
No matter what you drive, remember, burn rubber,
Welcome back to the RUST2REALITY channel. Right here you're looking at a 1976 Cadillac Coupe de Ville. If you go back to our other videos, you could see us take this out of the barn after 17 years. Right here we're in the middle of a full color change at the RUST2REALITY garage.
Frame to the 55. This is what you gotta do these days when you don't have everything like a big shop. So we all gotta come in here and work, put in our time. We just rotisserie so we can sand the backside, make it look like the other side. Some people can sandblast. We can't right now. So we showing you the way to get it done without all the high-end stuff. Right here in our garage. That's how they come out and look when we done. 55 frames. It's the last you're gonna see with it looking like this. Rubber, you dig? We're at that RUST2REALITY yard. Pulled out the booth so we can pull out some wet work. Putting in work on this 76 Lac, the Snoop Coupe Jamie Mobile, T-Monster the painter.
He vicious.
Alright. RUST2REALITY.
Find yourself.
Good.
You already know what it is. I guess this is like somewhat like a unveiling to her Cadillac.
Oh.
But you know, we're gonna call him Moby Dick over here. I don't know what they're gonna call him over there. But it's like a big old whale, you know what I mean? Now he black and white, you feel me? So come on with it. Come check this thing out. We're gonna slide by time machine. Hold on, let me close this trunk. They can't see this.
Yeah.
Good.
He vicious.
Going with a onyx black. Some people call it tuxedo. Black and white. Oh no, look at her face.
And the reflection. RUST2REALITY. Over here at Pops, Carlos, Jack, Tony, Junior, they always taking care of us.
Rust to reality. You already know what it is. If it ain't wet, we didn't do it. Burn rubber, you dig?
He vicious. He vicious. He vicious. He vicious.
It passed your inspection, sir? Is it passed? It ain't no show car. It ain't no show car. It ain't no show car.
I'm going home to get mine right now. 'Cause they wanted me to see you. 455.
Same old motor.
Yeah. But you know what? He got a rare one. He's got the console in the middle. If you got the console in the middle, it's rare.
No way. That's awesome. He's playing in a little camp.
He vicious.
Hood on it. This thing is clean. Everybody know I love that black, white, and red tuxedo look, so I had to come get it. He got the surfboards on top. Ooh, I love the interior on this thing. Very different. Very, very nice.
And that was exactly what I said too. It's like, I can't believe she's sitting on that black paint job.
How y'all doing? This is one of Vegas's car builders for over 20-some years. Mr. Marcus Allen, also good businessman, Las Vegas. This is his 57 Bel Air.
Quite a few trophies.
LS motor in it.
That vet thought he was gonna beat me out after we took him. That vet was trying to come at us, man. Put him on out, you see. Trey, we'll go with your brother.
Man, you know me,
That's in
man.
the Renzo Park.
Constantly
Out
working.
there. Get some shots. Yeah. Give it
The vintage hair set with the Dakota digital gauges.
He vicious.
I bought this in 87.
In 87, how many times has it been restored?
Once.
One time.
One time.
So tell me about it. Is it an LT1 in there? Is that the original LT1 motor?
Yeah, LT1. It's a 350 Ramjet,
Yes.
700R,
Nice.
4-link in it.
Nice.
Disc brakes all the way around.
Yes, sir.
LED tail lights.
So how often do people mistake and make you mad and say, beautiful station wagon?
That doesn't bother me.
Okay, because it ain't a station wagon.
No,
But they do make the mistakes, huh?
they do make that mistake a lot.
Yeah, I just laugh if I were you.
Two-door. If you just want to call it something, call it a two-door wagon.
Two-door wagon. Beautiful.
If you really just want to call it something.
This thing hard.
If I tell you how I got it, what I really paid for it.
Guess what? I'm filming you right now, so I'm hoping you're telling me, sir.
Oh,
I'm
I
telling
actually
me.
bought it in 1987 for $400.
Get out of here, man.
Yep. $400.
He didn't want to call it stealing, so he gave 400.
He vicious. vicious.